Has your email address and or password ever been compromised? In this video, I'll show you how to check it out for yourself and for your users and your friends and family if you want to. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 182 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. Now, just over the weekend, came out that 533 million Facebook accounts, users' phone numbers, personal data have been leaked online. And so I thought today would be a great topic to check, not only see if yours was leaked, but if you've ever been subject to your username or password being compromised in the past. So let's turn our attention to the screen and check that out. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and while you are there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. So what the site I want to show you today is called Have I Been Pwned? Pwned is a gaming term for getting owned, getting control, getting beaten a game. Have I been pwned? And this site will allow you to give you a number of checks to see if your email address or password have ever been compromised. Let's quickly take a look at all of the options here. All right, so the first thing that you have here is you can check your email address right off the bat. So let me put in one of mine. One of my domains. Check, and look at that. It's been pwned in 6 data breaches. So basically what that means is that anywhere I use that email address, I should go and change the password to something better. And these are probably in the past when I was being less careful about security. But as you'll see, if I put in my cybersalt.com, it has never been compromised as far as all the records of the site, and we'll see which ones those are. Here you can always have your address put in and be notified if it ever does show up in a new compromise that becomes learned. If you have your own domain, you can put in your domain name and you can search to see any addresses that belong to your domain name if they have ever been compromised. Now you have to be able to prove that you own that domain and have access to it. So there's a little process to follow through here that you can follow the steps for. Once you successfully do that, they will send you a link to download, and you will get, in this case, I use an Excel spreadsheet, all the addresses on my domain. Of course, I'm hiding them, and where they have been breached, if ever. So that's something for you to check. Now, who's been pwned? Here's a whole list of different sites and things that have been pwned. So it's almost basically everybody. No, it's not everybody, but there's quite a list there. Also, now check this out. Here's a link, passwords. You can put in just what your password is. So here's one, a very easy one that I have used a number of times on just junk sites. And check that out. It's been seen 10 times in data breaches. So if you're using that password in more than one place or in one place, this will let you know you should change it. And of course, you should have a different password for different sites. All right, so let's close that there. They have an API. If you're ever creating a service for checking this, they also have an FAQ. And you can even see what pwned is, and a really cool donate button here if you want to send Bitcoin to help support this, or just to donate something per month to help run this, whatever. Maybe this will save you a great problem, or maybe it's a service you can use with your clients and you can help that person out. So there's a pretty handy dandy tool for you to make sure that your passwords have not been compromised. And that's all part of maintaining your Joomla site, because if you can't keep people from logging into your Joomla site when you don't want them to, using your account, then you're in trouble right from the get-go. It doesn't matter how good your site design is, you are going to have trouble. So I hope that that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications. You know the whole drill. And Google thinks that there's some things that you would like to do or see, and they're popping up on the screen right now. So if you'd like to check those out, that would be great. Thanks for your support of the channel, and until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.